Hello YouTube, welcome back to Multitool School. Today I wanted to discuss some multi-tools that have a light built into them. 3 of these that I'm going to talk about today do not have pliers. So some people may not consider them to really fall into the category of multi-tools, but let's go ahead and take a look at these. This is a product from Gerber called the Multi. It has a push button LED light that's yellow in color. You have to hold it down for the light to stay on. This item has some nice tools in it. There's a knife blade, standard screwdriver, some scissors, a saw blade that's exchangeable, also a Phillips driver, and looks like a can opener. Now, in addition to these tools, which by the way are locking tools, and the way that you unlock them is by pulling this lever to release them. There's also a storage compartment right here. It's not watertight, but it is a little storage compartment that's large enough for some matches and just a few essential survival supplies. But this is the Gerber Multi Light. Another item that is perhaps doesn't really qualify as a multi-tool, but it's from Tool Logic. You have a pretty good knife blade with a liner lock and this flashlight. The flashlight is removable. There's another model of this that has a fire seal that goes in here. But this is an item from Tool Logic. Another multi-tool that has a light is the Schrade Navitool. It's kind of big and bulky, but it has a pretty good assortment of tools, and they are locking blades. The way that you release the lock is to open up some of the other implements, and that releases the locking mechanism. You've got a good knife blade, scissors, a saw, corkscrew. I have added the miniature micro screwdriver from a Victorinox Swiss Army knife to this. Now, here's the light. You've got a push button to activate this red LED. You have to hold it down to keep the light activated. Another tool is from Gerber. It's the Nautilus. It does not have pliers, but it does have several implements: a knife blade, scissors, a Phillips driver, a regular screwdriver. I believe this is probably a bottle opener right here. But here's the flashlight. here's the flashlight, and it's a little bit different. There's a push button right here. It is spring activated, and this is the micro light. You've got an ordinary beam. You've got another beam that's going to shine down here in the area where you're using your tools. And you can activate both of the lights, and then you have the strobe. This is the Gerber Navitool. Now the last item, this is a multi-tool. If you want to use the description, because it does have pliers. And one of the real nice features of this Buck Xtract is it's so easy to get the blade out one-handed. It's a liner lock. Here's the flashlight. This is the LED model of the Buck Xtract, and you just push here to click it on or off. It'll stay on. You don't have to hold the button down while you're using it. It's going to throw that light right out there where you're working with your knife blade. The Buck Xtract LED model. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.